Hey buddy, hope you're doing great. Let's get rolling. In this video, we're diving into the pro version of HiggsField AI. So, what's HiggsField AI? HiggsField AI is a generative AI platform that creates professional quality cinematic videos from simple text prompts, images, or pre-designed effects. Search HiggsField AI on Google and click the very first link. You'll land on their pre-login home screen. Now, smash that sign up button. Choose your sign up method. I'm going with Google because typing a password in 2025 still feels like a punishment. Select your account, confirm login, and boom, we're in. Before we start making AI magic, let's peek at the pricing. Click on Pricing. Here's the star of the show. Their top choice, the Pro plan. 600 credits per month means you can create around 2,400 images or 120 short videos, or about 20 character generations. 3 concurrent generations basically means 3 interns working for you at once, except they don't ask for coffee breaks. Soul and character creation means you upload a set of reference images, maybe your own or someone else's, and the AI learns face shape, style, and expressions. You also get different models to play with, each eating credits differently. Image editing, video upscaling, lipsync studio, and start and end frame controls. And the cool part, Google VO3 for videos, Google Nano Banana for images, yep, that's the name, and C-Dream 4.0 from ByteDance for image generation. Oh, and unlimited images from the last 2 models. Not bad, right? Let's test out WAN 2.5 templates. Click on this Gorilla template. Hit Recreate. You'll see the template type. It's general. Upload a tiger picture, modify the prompt, and click to generate the clip. Nice, isn't it? Let's check another example.
Yo, I'm stepping the game with the 125. Model so smooth, keeping dreams alive. AI so fresh, got the whole vibe. From data streams deep to the codes that align. While crushing every line. Watch it shit.
Upload. Generate.
Yo, I'm stepping the game with 125. Model so smooth, keeping dreams alive. Such a drive, it's shiny fresh, got the whole vibe. One on the shooter, speaking the codes to be res evil lines. Watch it shape the world, the small's gotta try.
Impressive. That's my kid, by the way. Now let's head over to the Explore section. First up, Visual Effects. It's a collection of cinematic VFX tools built right into the platform. They let you add dramatic, movie-style transformations, like the Earth Zoom Out feature. Choose one. Click on Recreate. Upload your image, tweak the prompt, and hit Generate. Wow. Let's watch that again. Next, we've got HiggsField Soul. It's an image model by HiggsField AI with 50+ curated presets, so you don't have to be a prompt engineering genius to get cinematic results. Choose any preset. I choose Duplicate. Any one among these many variations. See the prompt. Click Recreate. Upload your image. Change the aspect ratio and generate. See the result? Pretty good, isn't it? Next tab, HiggsField App. It's a collection of ready-to-share templates and effects. Just upload your image and the AI does the rest. No prompts, no stress. See the result? Pretty good, isn't it? Moving on, camera controls. Here you'll find pre-made camera motion styles. Each one changes how the camera moves around your scene. Pick one. Click Recreate. Upload your image. Tweak the prompt and generate. Let's play it. Check out that camera movement. Perfect. Next tab, Viral. Basically, these are the trending styles most of the users are using and creating their clips using them. It may be any of the features we already discussed, or the one we are going to discuss. Up next, Action Movements. This one's full of high-energy, dynamic motion styles for videos or image animations. Let's choose this one. Looks fun. Upload your image. Maybe add a scene prompt. Click Generate. Let's play. Wow, that nailed it. And finally, UGC. This section helps you create user-generated style videos, perfect for product demos or ads, without needing actors or cameras. Pick a UGC template. Choose your style. Upload your image and generate. Let's play it. That face looks a little chunky there. Could have been better. Let's begin with Image section. We will go through Create Image, Sole ID Character, Draw to Edit, Fashion Factory, Photo Dump Studio features with an example for each. Click on Create Image link. Here, at first place, you'll see a plus button. This lets you upload a reference image. The AI uses this image as a base to create new variations. This selection is optional. Next, there's a Prompt section. Here you can give clear instructions to the AI to generate your desired image. Let's enter the prompt. Then you can choose from multiple AI models provided by different sources. In this video, we'll use one model and we'll explore other models in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. After that, you have the Photo Dump feature. When you upload a single photo using Photo Dump, the AI creates around 26 variations. Each version has a different aesthetic or style. This is a really cool feature, and we'll explore it later in the video. Next, you'll find the aspect ratio setting. Right next to it is the image quality option. Then comes the prompt enhance toggle. If you turn it on, the AI will automatically refine your prompt for better results. You can also set the number of images to generate. It can range from 1 to 4. Next, there's the character selection option. We'll cover character generation with an example in a few moments. Finally, there's the template or style selection option. You can use existing style or leave it to general to create new with prompt input. With Soul Model, you get 25 daily free credits to use. So, you can just log in and start using these free credits. For now, let's generate the image by clicking on Generate button. You can try this yourself and get better results with a well-written prompt. Expand the Image section and click on Sole ID Character. Here, you need to upload multiple images of the person for whom you're creating the character. Make sure the photos are taken from different angles. This helps the AI generate a more accurate and realistic character. Click on Upload Images to add your photos. Then, give your character a unique name and click Generate. Once the process is complete, you'll see the generated character in the list. We'll use this character later in the video. Expand the image section and click on Draw to edit. Here, you can modify the image by giving instruction through drawing or typing on the image itself. Click on Create Blank. Now you can see blank page. You can upload an image by clicking the Upload icon. Let's upload a sketched tiger, and if you want, you can write on the sketch, using text icon to modify accordingly. You see the image now? Beautifully done. Expand the image section and click on Fashion Factory. Choose any desired template from the given list of templates and click on Next. Choose the character you created earlier. Click on Generate. Here you can see the multiple images generated. You check them, and if you don't like them, you can click on Retry button to generate again. I will click on Next button to move on. Here you can change the outfit if you don't like the current one. Let's move with this. Click on Next. Now, AI is generating our photo set. Let's have a look. You see all the images are with a different style with same outfit. You can download all of them and choose the best among them. Impressive feature, but next feature, Photo Dump Studio, is more impressive. Expand the image section and click on Photo Dump Studio. You upload a single photo and the AI generates around 26 variations, and each version has a different aesthetic or style. Choose the character for which you want to generate photo dump. Click on Generate. You see here, all the generated images are of totally different in outfits, style, background, etc. You can download all of them and choose the best among them. It's just awesome. We will go through Create Video, Lip-Sync Studio, Draw to Video, Sketch to Video, and HiggsField Animate features with an example for each. Click on Create Video link. Here, at first place, you have the option to choose a video template. When you click on it, you'll see several AI models, each offering preset templates. You can select any of them if you want to generate a video based on a ready-made template. I'll not choose any template. Let's create a completely new video from scratch. Below this, you'll see an Upload button. This lets you upload a reference image. The AI uses this image as a base to create the video. This selection is optional. Next, there's a prompt section. Here, you can give clear instructions to the AI to generate your desired video. Let's enter the prompt. I will keep the prompt in the video description for your reference. Next, you can choose from multiple AI models provided by different sources. In this demo, we'll use the Sora 2 model. We'll explore other models in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Next, set the video duration. Longer durations will consume more credits. Next, choose the desired aspect ratio. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on the Generate button. It will take some time to process. Let's watch it.
Hey, if you like this video even a little bit, then please give it a thumbs up. It makes my laptop believe I'm doing something productive. And maybe subscribe? I promise I won't spam you unless you count good content as spam. See, I clearly need your support.
Not bad, but could have been better. Expand the video section and click on Lip-Sync Studio. Here, at first place, you have the option to choose a template from different models. Next, you'll see an Upload button. This lets you upload an image of the person to sync their lips with the speech. Let's upload an image. Next, you have an option to generate audio by typing text, or upload an existing audio to lip sync. The person in the image will speak this text. Let's enter text. Next, you have an option to enter the prompt describing the scene. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on Generate button. It will take some time to process. Let's have a look.
Your career is safe, but your comfort zone isn't. Learn AI to stay ahead.
Beautifully done, isn't it? Expand the video section and click on Draw to Video. Here, you can convert a sketch or an image to a video clip by giving instructions through drawing or typing on the image itself. You can upload an image directly, or create a blank page and then build the image. Let's click on Upload and upload a tiger sketch. Let's add a text by clicking on the T icon and write the instruction on the image. Let's write, transform the sketch to real tiger and make it move with roaring. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on Generate button. Wow, it just nailed it. Next is Sketch to Video, and it is similar to Draw to Video. All the steps are same. Only difference is that it uses OpenAI's Sora 2 model to generate video. Expand the video section and click on HiggsField Animate. Here, you can generate an animated video by uploading an image and a video clip. The image you upload will replace the human character in the video to create animation. Let's first upload an image of an animal. Let's upload a video clip. Choose the video you want to animate. In this clip, you can see a man performing some action sequences. You can see the AI model is WAN 2.2. Choose the resolution as needed. Click on Generate button. It's generating the video. Let's watch it. You can compare the uploaded clip and generated video. You see, in both the clips everything is same except the performer. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. That's it for this video. We will see you in the next video.